Now the recipe is available in 138 languages. Turn on the caption, CC, for the same. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Prawns masala preparation. 3 teaspoons green chili paste. 4 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon paprika or red chili powder. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix well. Add 500 grams cleaned and washed prawns. Mix the prawns well in the spices. Marinate for 30 minutes. 3 tablespoons oil. 3 finely chopped onion. Sauté on medium flame till it changes the color. Add marinated prawns. 1 teaspoon paprika or red chili powder. Half a teaspoon garam masala powder, recipe in the description box. 2 teaspoons coriander powder. Sauté on high flame for 2 minutes. 1/3 cup tamarind paste. Mix nicely. Cover and cook on medium flame for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, turn off the flame and add 2 tablespoons chopped coriander. Tempering preparation. 2 teaspoons oil. 3 crushed garlic clove. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Cook for few seconds. Add the tempering to the prawns masala. Garnish with onion rings, lemon and fresh coriander. Prawns masala is ready. Rice flatbread preparation. 3 cup rice flour. 1 teaspoon salt. Add 3 cup boiling water and 3 part. Cover and keep for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later. 1 tablespoon oil. Knead it into soft dough. Make equal-sized dough balls. Sprinkle some dry flour. Roll into flat thin bread. Cook on hot tawa. Flip the side after 1 minute. Bake the roti with the help of a cloth. Rice flatbread is ready. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.